Hey guys, what's going on? Today what we are doing is we are showing you how to change out your thumbsticks on your Xbox controller. So if you guys can see this, as you can see, these thumbsticks are basically junk. If you own a Scuff controller, make sure you buy some of these, and especially even these on the back, because these have a tendency to also crack over time as well. Make sure you buy some of these so you don't have to wait a month for these to come back once these are bad, or once you notice these are starting to get wore down. As you can see, these are basically just wore down right to the nub. This one's already like even falling off. This one right here, when I push forward, it actually doesn't go the whole way because it actually hits the front of the controller right here, which makes it really annoying to play. And when you're trying to aim, it really messes everything up. So what I'm going to show you guys today is actually how to change these. There's actually just little grooves around your controller. So if you can see this, as you can see, even me trying to pull this up right now, it's really not that difficult, but there are a few little grooves that you can actually pull up. So if you go around and you see there's like a little notch right here as well. So you guys can see there's like kind of like a little indent, little notch right here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to gently click that off. I got that one off. I got that one off. And we can open up the entire controller right there. Looks pretty good. But as you guys can see, we need to change these out big time. So as you guys can see, we got the faceplate off right here. What you're going to do is basically just pull up. So as you guys can see there, you're just going to pull up just like that, and they just kind of slide off. As you can see, there's kind of like a little bit of like a groove in there. It's sort of like a flat piece that you have to line up properly to get them on correctly, but really not that difficult. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. There you go. Again, same thing. These are going to go right to the trash. I'm going to open up my new Scuff bag. Alright, so here are the new thumbsticks right here. Hopefully they last a little better than these ones. These actually do look a little bit smaller compared to the ones that I had on before. So let's hopefully get these to fit right. So as you guys can see right there, you just have to make sure these are lined up properly. Do the exact same thing as before. Make sure that they're just basically lined up. And anyways, so there you go. Basically that's all it takes to change these thumbsticks right out just like that. All I gotta do now is actually just put the faceplate back on. Should easily go right back into place just like that. So that's just a little easy do-it-yourself right there. Pretty easy to get this faceplate off. Just be a little bit careful. It is plastic. You don't want to try to bend that. So if that did help you, please give me a like. I appreciate it a lot. If you guys have any questions or something goes wrong with your controller, just let me know down in the comments. So as always, let's play it off with some music.